Here is the first question. We need to find out the value of the square root of 32266 So see, we will start making the grouping of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. 5, 5 times 25, 7 to 6, 10. Then 6 times 6, 36, 0, 12 minus 3 is 9. Next group. Then this will become 112 and one more place. 1128 to 11 into 8, 88. Okay. 64, 6, 16, 2, 2, 8, 2. This is so 7 times. So next one is 7 times. 106 plus okay. So 7 into 7, 49. 14 plus 1, 15. Then 8. This is 7. 1128 into 8. Let's calculate it once again. 64, 6. 16 plus 6, 22. 8 plus 2, 10, 1. 9, 0, 2, 4. 8 and 8. So this will become 45. Next pair. 1128 plus 8, 1, 1, 3, 6. Then two places. 1136 and then we cannot solve it, so we'll place 0 and we'll put one more. 11360 and then 11360 and then one more place. 0 and then after that it is, let's put it 4. 16, 24, 2, 12 or 2, 14, 1, 5, 4. 4, 5, 4, 4, 1, 6. So 56804. The option is the correct answer. X plus y is given, xy is given, product of xy, then choose the value of x plus x cube plus y cube plus y upon, this is upon x square y square. So if we take the LCM, this is x square y square. This will become x cube y square plus x to the power 5 plus this will be y to the power 5 plus y square x square y square x square, and this is also x square y square. X square y square will multiply x square y square. Okay, x cube y square x y cube x square. Then after that we know the value of x plus y, so let's find out first of all the values of x plus y is equal to 4, x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 16, x square plus y square minus 4 equal to 16, x square plus y square is equal to 20. If this is equal to 20, then this is the values that we are that are given to us. And now after that, x square plus y square value is given. So from these two, we can take x cube common, x square plus y square, and y cube common. So x square plus y square upon x square y square, or we can say xy whole square. This is x cube 20x cube plus 20y cube upon xy is minus 2 square is 4. So this is 5 times of x cube plus y cube. Now x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3y, or 3xy multiplied by x plus y. X plus y whole cube is 64 is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by x plus y is equal to 4. X cube plus y cube is equal to 64 plus 24, that is 88. So this is 5 into 88, that is equal to 440. B option is the correct answer. How many 4-digit positive integers have 4 different digits? So see, 1 triple zero, then 1001, 1002, 1003. In all of them, at least 2 digits are getting repeated. So all 4 digits are different. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 0, 1 0 2 3, 1 0 3 2, 1 2 0 3, 1 3 2 0, 1 3 0 2. Then after that, we are having these are the 6 digits. Then after that, we are having similarly, if you place 2 over here or 3 or 4. So 6 into 4 digits are going to be there with these 4. Now 24 with 1 2 3 0. Then we are having total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0, 10 groups. So in that case, in 10 groups, we can make one group of 1 2 3 0, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 6, 1 2 3 7, 1 2 3 8, 1 2 3 9, and so on. This is how we can make the number of groups. So let's try to understand the bigger picture. Let's try to understand that how can we actually find out the values of the positive integers which will going to follow this particular property. So in that case, what we are exactly going to do is 1000 place can be any single digit except 0. See, there are 4-digit number 1 2 3 4. Now here any of the digit can come except 0. So 9 possibilities are there. Here 10 possibilities are there, but one of the number is already fixed. So 9, then 8, and then 7. So we will going to just simply multiply them. 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. 81 into 56. So 81, 56, 48, 4, 40, 44. 6, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6. 4300, 536 numbers can be there. If x minus 1 upon x is root 21, then what is the value of this? So see, x minus x 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 into x into 1 upon x. 21 plus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. That is equal to 23. So this value is 23 multiplied by. Now, x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. 23 plus 2, that is 25, which is the square of 5. So x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. 23 into 5, 115 is the answer. Next one. Choose the area of the shaded region. So see, as these are the triangles, so this is a triangle, so all these three angles will be the sum of all these three angles will be 180 degrees. So area will be equal to 180 upon 360 multiplied by 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. 7 will get cancelled out. This is 2 times, this is 2, so this is 22 centimeter square. Find the shaded area of the shaded region. 7, 7, 7. Okay, this is not 2 pi r. This is pi r square. So this will become 11. So this is 77 centimeter square. A option. Two circle touches externally like this. The sum of their areas. This is r1. This is r2. Pi r1 square plus pi r2 square is equal to 41 pi, or we can say r1 square plus r2 square is equal to 41. If the distance between their centers is 9, r1 plus r2 is 9. Find the difference between their diameters. So r1 plus r2 whole square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square plus twice of r1 r2, 81 is equal to 41 plus twice of R1 R2. Twice of R1 R2 is equal to 40, or R1 R2 is equal to 20. Now R1 plus uh, 20 upon R1 is equal to 9. R1 square plus 20 minus 9 R1 equal to 0. R1 square minus 10R, okay, 20 minus 5R1 minus 4R1 plus 20 equal to 0. This implies R1 minus 5 and R1 minus 4 equal to 0. So R1 is equal to 5 or 4. This implies that R2 is equal to 4 or 5. So the diameter 1 is equal to 10 centimeter, diameter 2 is equal to 8 centimeter. D1 minus D2 is equal to 10 minus 8, that is 2 centimeter. B option is the correct answer. Our go down is 50-meter long and 40-meter broad. 10-meter of height. What is the cost of coloring its 4 walls? 40-meter, 10-meter. Area of 4 walls is equal to 2 multiplied by 50 plus 40 multiplied by 10. 20 multiplied by 90, that is 1800 meter square. Cost of painting is 1800 multiplied by the cost of per meter square. 18 into 15 is 240 and then followed by 2 zeros. 24. 18 into 15 is 27. 27,000 is the answer. In triangle ABC, A, B, C, angle B is 60 degree, AB is equal to 20 centimeter, BC is equal to 20 centimeter. Then choose the area of ABC. So these two sides are equal, that means these angles are also equal. This implies angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 180 minus 60 upon 2, that is 120 upon 2, that is 60. So this is the equilateral triangle. So area is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side square, that is 20 into 20. 5. So 100 root 3 centimeter square is the area. Next one. Select the value of this. 2 0 double 2 0 2 3 plus this minus this. So this is 2 0 double 2 2 0 triple 2 0 2 3 square minus 2 0 triple 2 0 4 square plus 2 0 triple 2 2 4 square minus 2 0 triple 2 0 2 5 square plus 2 0 triple 2 0 2 5 square minus 2 0 triple 2 0 2 3 square. This will get cancelled out, this will get cancelled out, this will get cancelled out, hence the value is 0. C option. Select the area of the quadrilateral. So in this case, this is 25, this is 16, this is 60, this is 63. So if we join this line, first of all, this is the right angle triangle. So AC is equal to 60 square plus 25 square under root 3600 plus 625, that is 4225 square, that is equal to the square of 25 square 625 4225, that will be equal to 60 into 60 plus 25 into 25 4225 raised to the power 0.5, that is equal to 65 centimeter. Now area of the quadrilateral, area for this given quadrilateral, that will be equal to this is half multiplied by, okay, that is also not required. That is equal to half multiplied by 25 into 60 plus, because this is the triangle, and this is half multiplied by 16 into 63. This is 8, this is 30. 750 plus 8 into 63, 24 to 48, 504. So this is 4, this is 5, 1254 centimeter square. Next one, select the simplest form of it. We can take 2 to the power x common. So this is 2 plus 1. We can take 2 to the power x minus 1 common. So 1 minus 2. We can write it down as 2 raised to the power x minus 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 raised to the power x minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. This will get cancelled out. So this is 6 upon minus 1, that is minus 6. D option. In the given figure, AB is 14, BC is given, CD, AF are also given. Select the area of the polygon. So see, if you just join it like this, so this will become 14 plus 2, that is 16 centimeter. This will become 10, this is 2. So area is equal to 2 multiplied by 16, area of, let's say this point is H, AF, EH, plus 10 into 2 plus half multiplied by 10 into 14. 5. So this is 32 plus 20 plus 70. 2, 5, 122 centimeter square. So A option is the correct answer. The given in the triangle 3A is equal to 4B is equal to 6C. So B is equal to 3 upon 4A and C is equal to 3 upon 6A. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So A plus 3 upon 4A plus 1 upon 2C is equal to 1. 1 upon 2A is equal to 180 degree. So A is common. 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 180 degree. This is 4 plus 2 plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 180 degree. A is equal to 180 degree multiplied by 4 upon 9. So this is equal to 80 degree. That's what we need to calculate the measure of angle A. From the frequency table, the percentage of families with less than 3 children. Less than 3 children means these three. 11 plus 5 plus 2, that is equal to 16 plus 2. 18 families is x upon 40 into 100. So find the value of x. That is 18 upon 40. See, total is 5 plus 2, 7 plus 11, 18. 18 plus 15, 33 plus 7, that is 40. So this is equal to 18 into 40 upon 100 percentage. So x value is equal to 18. A steel rod is cut into 3 pieces. There is a rod. It is cut into 3 pieces. The second piece is twice of the first. So if this is x, so this is 2x. While the third piece is 20 centimeters longer than the second piece. This much. If the shortest piece is 2x centimeters, okay, this is 2x, so this will become 4x, this will become 4x plus 20. Find the length of rod in meters. 2x plus x plus 4x plus 20. 2, 4, 10x plus 20 meters. A steel rod is cut into 3 pieces. The second piece is twice as the first piece, while the okay, so this was the initial assumption, right? Second piece is the second piece is twice as long as the first piece. So if the first piece is, this is second piece. If the first piece is of x unit, then the second piece is 2x, and third piece is 20 centimeter longer than the third piece. Second piece, so 2x plus 20. If the shortest piece is 2x, find the length of the rod in meters. So over here, x plus 2x plus 2x plus 20. Technically, This is twice of it, and this is even more than that. So this is the shortest piece. Let's say this is A, this is 2A, this is 2A plus 20. Now, the length of the rod in this case will be equal to how much? That will be equal to length of the first piece is if A is equal to 2x, so this is 2x, this is 4x, and this is 4x plus 20. So the length of the rod is, if we add them, that is 10x plus 20. That is something which can be written down as, now find the length of the rod in meters. Now this is in centimeter. If you divide it by 100, so this will become meters. So x plus 2 upon 10 meters. C option is the correct answer. In the given figure, RSEV is a square inscribed in a circle with center O and radius R. What is the total area of the unshaded region? So let us assume that this is, if this is R, so this is also R. SV is equal to 2R, and SV is equal to 2R. This is A. This is A. 2R square is equal to A square plus A square. That means 4R square is equal to 2A square. A square is equal to 2R square, or A is equal to root 2R. Now area of shaded is area of circle pi R square minus A square, pi R square minus root 2 R square, pi R square minus 2R square. That means pi minus 2 R square square units. A option is the correct answer. Volume of the right circular cylinder is given. That means pi R square h value is x. If its radius is y, pi y square h is equal to x. Find its curved surface area. That is pi RL. So see, that means pi y L. Over here, y square is equal to x upon pi h. We know L square is equal to x square plus that means the radius square plus height square. Height is equal to x upon pi y square. R value is y square. H value is x upon pi y square whole square. This is y square plus x square upon pi y to the pi square y to the power 4. So this is pi, and if you, when you take the LCM of the square root of it, then pi into y into square root of y square plus x square upon pi square y square, pi square y square. So this value will be equal to how much? See, the volume of the right circular cylinder is, okay, curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH. This is not that. Okay, 1 second. This was the mistake that we did. We assume it as the cone. So 2 into pi into R value is y and h value is x upon pi y square. Pi will get cancelled out, y square. So this is 2x upon y centimeter square. 2x upon y. The option is the correct answer. If x is equal to y to the power z, y is equal to z to the power x, and z is equal to x to the power y, then what is the value of x, y, and z? X, y, z is equal to y to the power z multiplied by z to the power x multiplied by x to the power y. If we divide all of it, if we divide all of it, let's try to understand this. Let's put the value over here. So x is equal to z to the power x whole raised to the power z. X is equal to z to the power xz. Now instead of z, x is equal to x to the power y. whole raised to the power xz. So x is equal to x raised to the power x, y, z. Here x to the power 1. So x, y, z is equal to 1. B option. Select the remainder when this is divided by 9. So for 9, we need to find out the sum and divide it by 9 and get the remainder. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 8, 26 plus 9, 26 plus 10, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, then 39, 40, 44. So sum is 44, 44 divided by 9, 9 4 times 36, 8 is the remainder. Let's cross check once again whether the sum is correct or not. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 20 and then 35, 35 plus 15, that is 50. Okay, the sum is 50. 9 5 times 45, 5 is the remainder. So that is what the remainder is. If x minus 1 upon x is 48 upon 7, what is the value of x square minus 1 upon x square? So see, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 is equal to 48 upon 7 whole square. X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 48 upon 7 square plus 1. This is 48 square plus 7 square upon 7 square. 2304 plus 49 upon 49. 2353 upon 49. Now, we need to calculate the value of x square minus 1 upon x square. Okay, so this is plus, this will be something that is plus 2. So plus 2, that means it will become 2 multiplied by 7 square, that is 98. 98 means 98 means this is 2304 and this is plus 2 square. 48 square plus this 49 square, 48 square upon 7 square, that is 2496. And when you do the squaring, so when you do the squaring, this is 2304 upon 49. This value is equal to this much plus 2 plus 2. Then it will become x square 4 into 2x 4x. Okay, so minus 2, so it will become plus 2. Okay, let's try to understand this. So this will be equal to 2304 plus 98, that is 12 1 10 1 2402 square. Now from here, if we x square plus 1 upon x square, if we add 4 and subtract 4, so it will become 2304 upon 7. Or if we add 2 and subtract 4, add 2 and subtract 2, it will not going to create the impact. So we'll take this value on the right hand side. This is x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 is equal to 2304 upon 49 plus 4. This is equal to 2304 plus 196 upon 49. This is 2500 upon 49, that is equal to 50 upon 7 whole square. Or 50 upon 2500 upon 49. That is the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. X square upon 1 upon x square. So x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 is equal to 2500 upon, this is 49 196 and 2500 upon 49. So x plus 1 upon x will be equal to 50 upon 7. Now after that we need to calculate the value of x square minus 1 upon x square. So let's find out the value of x upon 1 minus. This is the value of x plus 1 upon x. This is the value of x plus 1 upon x. So their product x minus 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x, that is 48 into 7, 50 upon 7, that is equal to 2400 upon 49. That's what the answer is, because this is equal to x square minus 1 upon x square. B option is the correct answer. Choose the angle, choose angle ABC from the figure. If these two lines are parallel, angle ABC is equal to x upon 2 plus 5x upon 3 minus 53 upon 2, and angle ADC. So this is a parallelogram. So x upon 2, this value will be equal to 4x upon 3 minus x upon 2 plus 67 upon 2. So this is x upon 2 plus x upon 2 plus 5x upon 3 minus 4x upon 3 is equal to 67 upon 2 plus 53 upon 2. This will be x plus 5 minus 4 is 1, x upon 3 is equal to 10, 120 upon 2, that is 60. 4x upon 3 is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 into 3 upon 4, that is 45 degrees. And we need to find out the value of angle ABC. ABC is equal to 45 upon. So this is 3x plus 10x minus 53 into 3, that is 159 upon 6. 13x minus 159 upon 6. So this is something which is equal to 13 into 45 minus 159. 13 into 45 is 585 minus 159 upon 6, that is equal to 426 upon 6, that is equal to 71 degrees. That is what the correct answer is. C option is the correct one. Choose the square root of this value. So 10, 4, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 9 groups like this. So 1, 1, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. So 1 time 21, then 0, 1, 22. Then after that, okay, this has to be 0, 4. So it will be 0 itself. 4, 1, 0. So 2, 2, 4, 0, 4, 6. The next group 1, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, 0, 6, 1, 2, 0, 9, 2, 0, 4, 0, and then after that we will place 3. This will be 9, 0, 12, 6. So the answer is 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. C option. What is the least number to be subtracted from this to make it a perfect square? 208, 393. Let's find out the remainder like this. 4, 4, 16, 483, 8. 5, 5, 25, 2, 42. 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. 93, 90. Then after that, 906 into 6. 5, 4, 3, 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. 4, 8 minus 4 is 4. 457, if we subtract from it, we will get the perfect square. Next one. What the compound interest on sum of money 3 years time is compound money. N is 3, R is 5. Compound interest is given to us 1324.05. What is the simple interest? So see, We know amount is equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power n. If we subtract amount minus principal, so this is principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power n minus 1. This is equal to compound interest. 1324.05 is equal to principal multiplied by 1 plus r upon 100, that is 1.05 raised to the power 3 minus 1. 1.05 raised to the power 3. 1.05 raised to the power 3 minus 1. This is equal to P multiplied by 0.157625. 1324.05 divided by 0.157625. Principal is equal to 8400 rupees. Now what is the simple interest? So simple interest is equal to 8400 multiplied by time multiplied by rate of interest upon 100. This will get cancelled out. So multiply by 3 multiply by 5. That is equal to 1260 rupees. A option. 4 horses are threaded tethered at 4 corners of a square of side 14 meters, so that the adjacent horse can just reach one another. That means this is how they tethered. Horse 1, horse 2, horse 3, horse 4. This is 7, this is 7. Similarly, all are 7. There is a small circular pond of area 20 meter square at the center. Find the ungrazed area of the excluding pond area. So area is equal to 14 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7 into 7 minus 20. 196 minus, this will get cancelled out, this will get cancelled out, 154 minus 20. 196 minus 174, this is 22 meters square. C option is the correct answer. Find the value of this. So 3 upon 4 a plus 3 upon 4 y. This is y plus a minus 1 upon 3 y minus 1 upon 3 a plus 1 upon 12 a plus 1 upon 12 y. 3 upon 4. Okay, let's take it as a plus y. This is y minus 1 upon 3y minus 1 upon 12. 1 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 12. This is 12 minus 4 plus 1. 8 plus 1. 9 upon 12. That is 3 upon 4y plus 3 upon 4a. So this is 3 upon 4 multiplied by 3 upon 4. A plus y. A plus y. That is 9 upon 16. A plus y whole square. The option is the correct answer. Choose the simplest form of it. Over here, a square minus bc whole square, b minus c whole square, and this is a plus c whole square minus b square. So this is a minus b plus c, a plus b minus c divided by a plus c minus b, a plus c plus c, a minus a plus b minus c. So a minus b plus c, this will get cancelled out. Similarly, b minus a plus c, b plus a minus c, a plus b plus c, and a plus b minus c. This will get cancelled out. C minus a plus b, c plus a minus b, a plus b plus c, b plus c minus a. This will get cancelled out. As the denominator is same, a plus b plus c, numerator is a plus b minus c plus b a minus a plus c plus c plus a minus b minus c minus a minus b. So this is A plus B plus C upon A plus B plus C. That is equal to 1. B option. On a scale of mass, 0.6 centimeter is equivalent to 6.6 kilometers. 1 centimeter is equal to 6.6 upon 0.6, that is 11 kilometers. That is 11 kilometers. If the distance between 2 points on the map is 80.5 centimeters, what is the actual distance? So 80.5 multiplied by 11, double 8, double 5, 885.5 kilometers. The option. Evaluate this. Minus 1 raised to the power 13, that is minus 1 upon 8, plus 2 cube 8 minus 1 plus 9 upon 3 square 9 minus 4 plus 7 cube is 343 upon 1 2 121 into 11, 121, 121, 1 double 3 1, then it will be multiplied by 121 upon 98. This is 11 times. For 7 49, for 7 14, for 7 2, for 7 7, minus 1 upon 8 plus 9 plus 8 is, this is 16 upon 5 plus 7 upon 22 plus 7 upon 22. So the LCM will be 22, 8 and 5, 2, 11, 4, 5. 11 into 4 into 5 into 2, that is 440. For this 55 into minus 1, that is minus 55 plus 440, 88 multiplied by 16, that is 1408, and then this is 140. So 1408 plus 140 minus 55, that is 1493 upon 440. That is something which is equal to 137 upon 440. The option is the correct answer. Okay, 173. So A option is the correct answer. Next one. What will be the mark price of an article which is sold for X rupees? Selling price is given as X and discount percentage is Y. We know discount percentage is equal to mark price minus selling price upon mark price multiplied by 100. This is Y mark percent minus X upon X into 100. So this is XY upon 100 is equal to mark price minus X. So mark price is equal to XY upon 100 plus X. So this is 100x plus xy upon 100. Y upon 100. So this is equal to y upon 100, and then this value will be equal to selling price is equal to mark price multiplied by 100 minus y. Okay, so yx upon 100, yx upon 100, and then we can take x common. So 100 plus y upon 100. 100 plus 100x plus, okay, this is the value. So y is equal to this cost percentage y upon 100 multiply xy upon 100 plus x 100x plus xy upon 100, and we know one more formula, that is selling price is equal to mark price multiplied by 100 minus d upon 100. This is one of the formula. So with the help of this we can actually get the answer. So selling price is equal to x is equal to mark price multiplied by 100 minus y upon 100. So mark price is equal to 100x upon 100 minus y. 100x upon 100 minus y. That means the option is the correct answer, and this is how we can solve the equation. in which quadrilateral the diagonals intersect at right angles. So see, when we talk about the square, its diagonal intersect each other at 90 degree. When we talk about rhombus, its diagonal intersect each other at 90 degree. And when we talk about kite, its diagonals intersect each other at 90 degree. A, B, and D are the correct answer, but in rectangle, the angles are different. There are two obtuse and two acute angles. Choose the factors of 13 raised to the power 4 minus 11 raised to the power 4. This can be written down as 13 square whole square minus 11 whole square. That is 13 square plus 11 square multiplied by 13 square minus 11 square. That is equal to 13 square plus 11 square as it is. This is 13 plus 11 and 13 minus 11. So this is equal to 169 plus 121, 24 multiplied by 13 minus 11, that is 4. 13 plus 11 is 24. 24 and 4 are not the factors. Now this can be written down as 10, 1, 9, 390 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 4. 390 is 2 multiplied by 1, 9, 5 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 4. This is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6, 5 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 4. Now 29 is not the factor. 87 is, this is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 4. 87 is 29 multiplied by 3. This is 29. This is 2 multiplied by 3, 9, 8. 398, which is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, 9, 6. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, 9, 49. So if we need to find out the factors of it, in that case, we will going to just differentiate, find out the factorized form of all the given numbers, and then we will find out that which of the following are the actually correct answers. So if we talk about this particular scenario, then in that case, for this question, this can be written down as 290 multiplied by 2 into 24. Okay, 13 square plus 11 square, 169 plus this is 290. Then 140, 140, 2, 1, 4, 145. Then this is 2 into 5 into 29 into 24 into 4. So 29 is the factor. Then after that, B, C and D. C is also 29 into 3 is also there. 2 into 5 into 29 into 3 into 8 into 4. This is also there. And 638 is something which is can be written down as 638 is 2 multiplied by 319 and 2 multiplied by 29 multiplied by 11. 29 is there and then 11 is 22 is also there. So okay, 11 is not there, so not the correct answer. And B, C and D, so 2 into 2 into 8, 696 is 29 multiplied by 24, which is also there. So B, C and D are the correct answers. Select the LCM of x square plus x minus 6. This is x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. So x is common, x plus 3 minus 2 is common, x plus 3. So this is x plus 3, x minus 2, x square minus 2x minus 15. This is x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15, X is common, so x minus 5 plus 3 is common, so x minus 5. So this is x minus 5 and x plus 3. So the LCM will be equal to x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 5. Now x minus 2 is there. So if we multiply it, this is x square plus x minus 6 multiplied by x minus 5. So the option is the correct answer. And if we take x plus 2 is not there, x plus 5 is not there, and if we take x minus 2, so this will become x square minus 2x minus 15. A option is also the correct answer. So A and D are the correct answer for this particular question. What are the possible areas of quadrilateral ABCD? For square ABCD, so this is 48. This is length into width. This is length into width. Now L plus B is equal to A. So square ABCD. So in this case, square ABCD, 48 can be written down as 148, 224, 316, 412, 6 and 8. So let's take it as 14. Let's take it as 16. Let's take it as 19. Let's take it as 26, and let's take it as 49. So the square can be 2401. It can be for 26 676, or 19 361, for 16 256, and for 14 196. 256 can be the answer. 676 can be the answer. 196 can be the answer. So the correct answer is A, C, D, and we can also take it as 16 plus 12, 3 plus 9, 19, and then 24 plus 2, 26. We can also take it as for 625, the side can be 16 plus 9 also. 16, okay, 9. So the side of the square can also be 25. How it can be 25? See, we are having 16 for 12 and 4. We are having for 24 and 2 26. For 8 and 6 we are having, and if the side of the square is 25, if the side of the square is 25, so the area can be 625 also. So for that, the correct answer is A, B, C, D, all four options. This is how we can solve this particular question. Next one. Choose the option which has almost 3 lines of symmetry. For square, at most. For square, 1, 2, 3 and 4 line of symmetry. For rectangle, there are 2 line of symmetry. For rhombus, there are 2 line of symmetry. And for isosceles triangle, there are 1 line of symmetry. So at most 3. So in that case, B, C and D are the correct answer. Square cannot be the answer because it has having 4 line of symmetry. So this is how we can solve the question. Here is the first question. What number will replace the question mark? So see, 240, then 60, then 20, and then 5, 4, 3, and this. So 240 divided by 4 is 60, 60 divided by 3 is 20, 20 divided by 4 is 5. So it has to be 4. 240 divided by 4, 60 divided by 240 divided by 4, 60 divided by 3, 20 divided by 4. So the option is the correct answer. Which word logically is the odd one out? Dosage, before, volume, simple, curate. So see, if we talk about this particular scenario, dosage is basically that it is the amount of some medicine that we give to the given, for the patient. Before is also the next one. Volume is like basically the capacity of something in which the amount of liquid or anything else we can place inside it. Simple is a term. Curate is also a term. Now except simple, except simple. All other are having alternate as the vowels. But in case I, but this is P, not the vowel. So S, that means the option is the correct answer. Because we are not able to find out something logically, that we can separate out one of the terms from the other four. So this is the one more logic. Select the correct matching pair that replaces the question mark. In this case, we are first of all rotating it by 90 degrees. So if we rotate it by 90 degrees, it will look like this. This square will go here. This will come here. And this colored part is also coming into the white one. So this is how the figure will going to looks like. Square on the left side, on bottom, and then this part. So A option is the correct answer. Next one. Select the top view of it. So for top view, 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be 4 parts at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to be gray, then dark gray, then light gray, and then one more shade of gray. White is not there. White is not there. This is the part which will going to line up like this. Which will going to line up like this. So A option is the correct answer for this particular question. Because see, if you look at this color, 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 they are same. In this case, this is white, which is not the part of it. Select a code that matches the pattern of the rightmost figure. So G means, see, in this two, there are I is common, so I means two horizontal lines, G means four vertical lines, H means three vertical lines, J means one vertical line. So it has to have J and H. HJ should be the code of it. HJ. First of all, we are writing down for the horizontal one, vertical one, and then we are writing down for the vertical horizontal one. So H is representing the vertical lines, and then J is representing the one horizontal line. Which option replaces the question mark? 9, 5, 4, 7, 1, 8. So 9 minus 4 is 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 1 is 7. So basically the difference between these two will going to be here. Now 2 square, 1 circle, 2 square, 1 circle, 2 square, 1 circle. So it has to have 2 circle and 1 square. So the correct answer in this case will going to be the option number A. It has to have 2 square. So it has to be 3. A option is the correct answer. Next one. If 5th July was Sunday, then which day of 2nd June was the same year? So 5th July, Sunday, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. On 30th of June, it was 30th of June. It was your Tuesday. 30 minus 7, 23 on 23 of June, Tuesday, minus 7, 23 minus 7, that is equal to 16, Tuesday. On 16 minus 7, that is 9, Tuesday. 9 minus 7, that is 2, Tuesday. So the correct answer in this case will going to be Tuesday, the option. Which cube is made from the given data? 2, 6 and 5. 2, 6 and 5. 2 and 6 are the opposite faces. Not the correct one. 6, 5 and 4. 6, 5 and 4. So like this. Okay. 2, 5 and 3. 2 and 3 are adjacent and 5. 3 and 5 are opposite pairs. Not the correct one. They are opposite. 6 and 2 are opposite. 4, 5 and 1. 5, 1 and 4. So for this, 1 and 4 are going to be the opposite one. See, these two are opposite, these two are opposite, and these two are opposite. So B option is the correct answer. Sometimes you need to just eliminate the options. Three friends, Ram, Harsha, Prithvi, arrived at movie theater at the different times. Prithvi, Ram, Harsha. Prithvi reached 1:30 p.m. Harsha reached an hour and half before Prithvi. An hour and half before. So 1 hour 30 minutes before 1:30 is 12 p.m. Ram reached 15 minutes after Harsha. Okay, this is for Harsha and this is for Ram. 15 minutes after Harsha. So 12:15 p.m. The option is the correct answer for this question. Next one. A piece of paper is folded and cut as shown below from the given figure. How will it appear when it is opened? So it will going to have it like this. So it will going to have two horizontal bars like this. One here, one here, one here, one here. Then this is how the pieces will going to be. These are at the extreme corner. This is should be the at the corner. Should be at the corner. So D option is the correct answer for this particular question, and this is how we can solve the questions. Thank you. Choose the correct option for the assertion reason given below. Assertion is antibiotics do not treat corona infection. Corona is a virus, not a bacteria. So, see, if we talk about in this case, the assertion is true because antibiotics is something that is not going to treat corona infection. That is something we know. So, this is true. And corona is a virus, not a bacteria. Now, when we talk about bacteria, so this is also a fact, which is also the truth. And this is the correct explanation of this also. So, A option is the correct one. Assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. A cylindrical container with layers of ice cream and frozen oil are shown below. Ice cream, oil, ice cream. After the contents of the container melt and settle, which of the options given below shows the correct result? So as we know that oil always comes at the top, so oil will be here, and the water will be at the bottom. Water will be at the bottom. Now oil, as it is entirely the filled, so and this is going upwards, so not the correct one. In this case, this is exactly at the markings that we are having. So option number this can be the correct one. But over here, see, when we talk about ice, when you melt the ice, the volume of the water will going to lower down. So this water will going to have at much this height. C option is the correct answer. Mostly students make this mistake and they correct it as this one. Ice and water is going to have the change in the volume. So C option is the correct answer. Shown figure is woven met using thread on two colors. The map is flipped at the edge and reveal the back side. Identify the side of the mat from the given options. So see, when you flip it, everything will going to be, first of all, when you flip it, so it will going to have the opposite of the center part. This arrow will going to be like this, and everything will going to flip. And then after that, whatever the shaded part is there, then it will going to be unshaded. If that is there in the case of option number C. That is there in the option number C. Here it is exactly the same. Here it is flipping towards upward. Here it is exactly the same. So C option is the correct answer. Next one. Which of the following statement is valid based on the given scenario? If Advik plays basketball, then Arya sits on the bench. Advik plays, Arya sits. If Arya sits, then Akash starts at center. If Arya is sitting, then Akash is also playing. If Arya sits on the bench, then Advik plays basketball. If Arya sits on the bench, then Advik plays. Akash starts at the center. Advik plays basketball. If Arya sits on the bench, then Akash do not start the At the center, not the correct one. Definitely, if Advik plays basketball, then Akash starts at the center. Advik is playing, then Akash is starting at the center. No. If Arya is sitting, then Akash is playing at the center. Akash starts at the center, then Advik plays. So basically, in this case, the statements are somehow confusing. So in this case, if Advik plays, then Arya starts at the center. So if Advik is playing, that means Arya is sitting. If Arya is sitting, that means Akash is playing at the center, and he will start at the center. So the option is the correct answer. We need to find out what is the valid, which statement is valid on the given scenario. So somehow we need to connect the statements. Shown below are trajectories of four flies over the juice of glasses. Identify the fly that crosses over the maximum number of glasses. So if we talk about, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, then, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 glasses for Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is for Q. So it is 19. Let's check for R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And if you look at for S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, and 15. So Q is going for maximum number of glasses. So P is the